How to fix Valorant not opening and launching error? For this first step, restart your device, open up Task Manager, click Startup tab. In this, you need to scroll down, click the VJ tray. It should be in enable mode. If it's disabled, means you need to enable it. And come to Process tab, scroll down and search for Riot Client and Valorant. If it's running in background, means you need to end the task completely. Close it and come to next step. Restart Vanguard services. For this, search for run and type the following text. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click it, click properties and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual. It depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. Make sure it, close it and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text. MSINFO32. Click OK. A system information page will appear. In this you need to check for BIOS mode and secure boot state. The BIOS mode should be in UEFI and the secure boot should be in on. Make sure it and one more time search for run and type the following text tpm.msc. Click OK. The TPM status should be in ready for use and the specification version should be in 2.0. Make sure it and refresh it. Close it and open up Riot client. Click it and open it. Click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click Valorant, click repair and start repair. Wait for some time because it's entirely verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. After it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for your client. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app. Click browse. Click C drive. Riot games. Riot client. You get the application. Add it. After adding, enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side and come to next step. Open up this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click it. Click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. Is actually scanning the C drive. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.